What?
Oh, nothing. I'm just following you with the camera.
Why?
Make sure everything goes okay.
I don't need it televised.
I won't be televised, only on the internet.
Am I gonna be safe? Oh, there's people running.
That's fine, let me out of your way. Alright, is it on?
No.
Okay. Be careful.
Whoa.
Yeah. Start pedaling first and then twist it.
Well,
And if you want to turn this off, you just hit this power button.
This one?
Yeah.
I don't want it on right now. Oh.
Jessica! My hands are full.
Just like riding a bike.
Sure, try again.
Yeah. Hi. Yes, I'm fine.
Watch out. All right. I got it on video.
All right. Bye, guys.
Patterns flickering on the floor and mellow yellow clouds in the morning. Ready for the day, hear it calling. Catch your breath before you falling. East side to west side, I'm coming. Going hot like a roller coaster. Stretching time 'cause it don't stop for you. Keep it together, play it right. This is how you come to life. Turn another page, write your stories. Chasing better days, not the glory.
This is the Jetson Bolt Pro. There have been a lot of videos about this bike already. But this one is mine. I just got it yesterday, and as you can see, I've already added a bunch of accessories, and this isn't even all of the accessories that I got. I have some at home waiting for me to install. A rear bike rack that goes back here, and a basket that sits on top that's at my house, that I've already opened up and looked at. It's pretty nice. And we got the integrated headlight, but I also added this aftermarket headlight, which is pretty cool. It's called Victogen, I guess. I don't know. It has 3 different levels of brightness, so you got low, medium, and high. And that's actually pretty cool. Has a cable goes down here to the battery pack, which has, I guess, probably 2 18650s in it, I would think, judging by the size. And I got these add-on tail lights that you just push on and they turn on. This one came with the seat, I believe, and this one came with the bike. And then we got this one up here that you just push on, and that's built into the seat. Since it doesn't really have a tail light, I decided to go ahead and add one. Bike weighs about 40 pounds, I think, roughly. Basically all I did is folded it up, which is folding mechanism right here, folds the handlebars down, and it fits right in my wife's little Chevy Sonic, so pretty nifty. And I got the Zoom suspension seat post, so got a little bit of suspension there, and the seat's a little bit more comfortable. I did not put the rear fender on yet. I decided to go ahead and leave that off for now. And then I got this little foam holder. It's been working out pretty decently. It just connects right to the stem right here. And then I've already let several people ride it, and they love it. So this is the Jetson Bolt Pro, and I have a lot of ideas in mind for this. I like it.
Keep on, those skies will clear in the morning. Feel it every moment. East side to west side, I'm coming. Going hot like a
so stunning. These streets of yours keep it running. Follow your heart, follow your heart, follow your heart. This is the start, this is the start. Follow your heart. Break it on down now, just light it up, light it up. Break it on down now, just light it up, light it up. Break it on down now, just light it up, light it up. Break it on down now, just light it up, just light it up. Break it on down now, just light it up, light it up. Break it on down now, just light it up, light it up. Break it on down now, just light it up, light it up. Break it on down now, just light it up, just light it up.
Let's go over here to the dog park. Hi, puppy dog. You gonna chase me? Run off that energy. What you gotta do? Now we gotta stop. I don't know what that bird is. Shared trail. Not really sure where this goes, but here we are. Something in there making noise. Hey, can you see them? I don't know how much I can zoom in where it would be decent quality, but oh, there they are. There's two of them in there. Right there in the middle of your screen. I can only see, I think, one. I don't know, it's too bright right now. Out there drinking, I guess. Let's kind of peaceful out here. I'll give you that. And this little phone holder's not so bad. Let's turn around here. Beep beep. Where are you going?